Hi, this is Sarah the Mouse. Today I'm going to show you the picture of the Disney orange bird. Ta-da! This is the Disney orange bird. He appeared in the Disney short 1980. And I'm going to show you the steps how to draw the Disney orange bird. Number 1, you have to draw a circle. 2, you have to draw its belly. 3, you have to draw the body. 4, you have to draw its wings. 5, you have to draw its eyes and brows. 6, you have to draw its feet. 7, you have to draw its mouth. 8, you have to draw 2 leaves on its head. 9, you have to draw its tail. And then final step, you can color the bird. And how do I draw this Disney orange bird? I look at the picture on my computer and draw what it looks like. And I give it some golden eyes. Now looks like the Disney shorts. Remember the steps that you saw in the video today.